Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your corporate culture with Oracle, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by introducing the concept of corporate culture and its importance to organizational success. Highlight how Oracle can assist in recovering and enhancing corporate culture. Start by accessing your Oracle platform. Log in using your corporate credentials to ensure secure access. Navigate to the Culture section in the main dashboard. Review the current corporate culture metrics and analytics available. Identify key areas that need improvement based on data insights. Gather employee feedback through surveys or direct communication tools. Create a list of specific cultural challenges as identified by employees. Utilize Oracle's tools to design targeted initiatives for culture recovery. Implement training programs focused on the desired cultural attributes. Set clear objectives and KPIs to measure the impact of these initiatives. Encourage open communication through Oracle's collaboration features. Foster team engagement by promoting involvement in culture-related activities. Regularly review progress against the defined objectives. Provide transparent updates to employees on culture recovery efforts. Solicit continuous feedback to refine strategies as needed. Celebrate small wins to motivate and maintain momentum in cultural recovery. Ensure leadership remains involved and visible throughout the process. Adjust initiatives based on feedback and measurable results for ongoing improvement. Conclude by emphasizing the long-term benefits of a strong corporate culture for overall organizational performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.